Right, today we're looking at solving simultaneous equations using a graph. So now the question says, the graph of the straight lines with the equation y equals x plus 2 and 2x plus 3y equals 16 have been drawn on the grid. Use the graphs to solve the simultaneous equations. So first thing I would do, I would locate each equation to the lines drawn on the graph. So we've got y equals x plus 2, that's an easy one to find. The y-intercept is going to be 2, so we know that this line here is y equals x plus 2, which means the other line is going to be 2x plus 3y equals 16. Right, once we've done that, to solve the simultaneous equation, all we have to do is locate where the lines cross, which is right here. And we look at the coordinates, so we've got 1, 2, x is going to be 2 because it's along the corridor, and y is going to be 4 because it's up the stairs. To confirm that this is correct, all we have to do is substitute it into one of the equations. So I've got y equals x plus 2 on this side, so what I'm going to do, y is 4, x is 2, 4 equals 2 plus 2, makes sense, so that's going to be right. Right, and so for part B, what we need to do is it says show by shading on the grid the region defined by all three of the inequalities. Label the region R. So we've got y is greater or equal than 2. So we need to draw this on the grid, so we need to draw y equals 2. We need to draw that line. Well, we know this is y equals 2, and we're just going to fill in the line there. We're only interested in the values that are greater than 2. So anything less than 2, cross out. Not interested in that. Show by shading on the grid the region defined by all three of the inequalities. The next one's going to be 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 16. So we've got this line over here. We know that's a 2x plus 3y. We need less than or equal to than 16, so we're going to cross out anything above. And for the last one, we got y is less than or equal to x plus 2. So anything more than that, we're not interested in, so we're going to cross out. So now we've got our little region here, which I'm going to write R. Now to double check that this is correct, we're going to take one point in that region and compare it to all of the inequalities. So I'm going to change my color. I'm going to take this one, so we've got 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So it says y is greater or equal to than 2, while the y value in this scenario is 3, so we know we're fine on that inequality. 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 16. So 2x, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3y, 3 times 3 is 9, less than or equal to 16, while we know 11 is less than 16, so we're good for that one as well. Lastly, y is less than or equal to x plus 2. So we know y is 3, x is 1, 1 plus 2 equals 3, so we know we're good for that one as well. Right, so now I've got another question here for you. Just work through this example. If you need any help at any point, just watch the video again and have another attempt. And if you can just take a picture of that and upload that into class charts, please.